Alright, one more thing which I wanted to say is that basically why did we see Bank Nifty breaking on the upside but it consolidated the whole day today, right? Which is basically, as per what I'm recording the video, is on Monday 28th. So this is one of the key lessons for you to understand that even though Bank Nifty was very bullish on Friday, if we just show you on Friday, it went up crazily by around 570 points over here. So I'll just explain you why didn't we get the follow through on Monday and what happened basically, and why didn't the Bank Nifty go through ahead, and why didn't the Nifty also touch new highs. So if we just see that Nifty has a pattern like this, right? A simple resistance line and the support line. Inside that we're seeing another channel over here. And what we saw in Nifty was basically that it is already near this resistance line over here. So if you see today, Nifty opened near the resistance line, it had rejections and it was continuously just, there was a selling pressure only from the upside to the bottom at the end of the day, right? So basically if we see the same thing with Bank Nifty, it had broken this resistance line, but Nifty hadn't broken this resistance line, right? Nifty did not break this resistance line and it reversed from that place. So as Nifty was retracing over, not retracing, it was just consolidating near the resistance line. Bank Nifty, if you see, after breaking this trend line, which is basically trying to form a triangle pattern over here, along with that inside a channel pattern. So when it tried to when it tried to break this resistance line over here, as you see that this was the last Friday's candle over here, right? And it just consolidated till over here in this place. It opened again, tried to the buyers tried to push it on the upside, but all those who carry forward these positions from last Friday or whosoever were in profits, they just started to exit because they saw no follow through in Bank Nifty. Until and unless Nifty also doesn't follow through after breaking this pattern on the upside, we will not see Bank Nifty going ahead in the upside as well. That is what I'm trying to say, because if both the indices, like I just want to tell you that this is supposedly an example of both the indices, that if Nifty is having a channel pattern like this, and so does Bank Nifty has a channel pattern like this, right? So the prices are moving like this, and when Nifty is breaking on the upside, if we want a good target on the upside, to get good points of target, we need the same thing happening in Bank Nifty as well. We need it to break and get it in the good targets up till over here. But one of the indices, if it is at the resistance, what is going to happen in the other indices, that even if they break out, they will try to consolidate for the most of the day. Either they will wait for the next index to break out on the upside and go further on, and similarly Bank Nifty will also try to break out, consolidate and go on the upside. That is what I'm trying to say. So what we saw is basically today is that Nifty did not try to close above this trend line in the 1 hour time frame, right? If it would have closed an upside, we could have taken a good trade in Nifty with around target of 250 points. Similarly, Bank Nifty would have resumed its uptrend from here to around over here, up till around 1500 to 1700 points in the further long run, right? Not in just one day, but definitely in the BTST or swing, you could say that. So when do we need to buy? It is very simple, that this pattern, when you see in 1 hour time frame for Nifty, this is a clear cut channel pattern. We will not trade until and unless the price is below in this area. We'll only buy when this price has crossed up this line. Similarly, checking with Bank Nifty that it has crossed this kind of a smaller pattern inside the channel pattern. It is kind of a triangle pattern. So when this has crossed on the upside, we will buy it somewhere near over this area, and we will keep our stop losses below this. Our targets will be up till this trend line, right? So this will be a buy trade. Nifty and Bank Nifty both needs to break this resistance, and accordingly we can get our targets on the upside. Bank Nifty has already broken the main trend line over here, which is in this way, right? If you see, it has already broken this. All we just need is Nifty to break out on the upside, and similarly Bank Nifty to also break this smaller triangle pattern. And when do we should not trade? When should we not trade? It's pretty simple. As long as the price is inside this zone in Nifty, and also Bank Nifty's price is inside this zone, we will not trade over here. Similarly, when do we need to short? Just in case if the breakout is not happening and falling on the downside, we will short when Nifty is breaking down this trend line on the support side. As soon as we see get a trade and with confirmation, we will short over here, and we'll keep our stop losses right above this trend line, and our targets will be minimum up till over here, which is again I believe would be around 200 points from here. to here, right? Yeah, it is around 200 to 300 points. We might not get that in one day, but definitely BTST or a swing which we could expect, and trail our stop losses of profits accordingly. But when we are getting a breakdown on Nifty over here, we need to similarly check with Bank Nifty that Bank Nifty is also breaking this line, and again after it breaks this line, you need to be careful with this support line in Bank Nifty, which is in this way, right? So after this is also broken, we can easily expect a good target up till over here on the short side from around 34,840 to around 34,000 levels, right? So this could be a good target for Bank Nifty on the short side. So make sure that Nifty and Bank Nifty either breaks on the upside together to go and buy when Nifty is crossing this line on the upside in 1 hour time frame, and similarly with Bank Nifty over here, and buy it, right? And similarly on the short side, sell it when Nifty is breaking down over here this support line. Similarly with Bank Nifty, confirmation that it is breaking down this line as well, and also this line, to achieve good targets together in both of the indices. When they move together, we can get a good fall or a good rise, right? One more thing which is important for you all to see is that keeping an eye on dollar index. Dollar index, why am I saying is so? Because dollar index, whenever the dollar is getting stronger, it is not good for the emerging markets like Indian markets to perform well, because if dollar's value is going on the upside, FIIs, what they will try to do is basically they will try to convert their rupees into dollars, because dollar is much more stronger towards compared to the rupees, right? So that is why what they are trying to do is basically to remove rupees, they will try to convert it into dollars, and so such thing would result that there would be no money inflow in the Indian markets. So at such times we will not see such big rise or such big expectations which we predict that Bank Nifty could go higher in such a short period of time, or Nifty could go higher in such a short period of time. There will be participation by FIIs, but money pumping in a huge quantity will not be done as much as we used to see before, when the dollar index was continuously falling since the last 1 year over here. So when dollar index has given a breakout, since then you can also find Nifty is also trying to take its consolidation period over here, and we might not know where it is going to break out or where it is going to break down. We just have to take a trade when it is going to break on the either side of the selling side or the buying side, confirming with Bank Nifty, keeping our stop losses. So until and unless you don't find them, don't trade, because this price, until and unless the price is inside the zone, there is no trade. Similarly with Nifty as well, if you just check it out, as I told you that we will not trade in Nifty until and unless it is breaking on the either side, and this zone will be our no trading zone. So this is all the analysis for Bank Nifty and Nifty. I hope you understood. Until next time, happy trading and take care, stay safe. Bye bye.